Let's say you're an office worker, right? All day we're being spent right over here reaching. If this looks like you, I'm going to give you 3 exercises that we can do that'll easily kind of reset your back up here, okay? So the first thing you're going to do, put your hands up behind your head, and you're just going to twist. Now, we're not doing it to crack our backs. We're just doing it to establish motion. Some people like to go back and forth like this. Other people like to hold it, breathe, and then move. It's up to you really what feels comfortable, but try to do 10 one way, 10 the other way. After that, chest out and stick your hips out. After that, chest in, stick your hips in, and you just repeat 10 times back and forth. We're trying to arch that back and activate the muscles that get you into extension. Stretch out the ones that get you into flexion. The third exercise we're going to do is a chin tuck and extension. Literally take your chin, tuck it in, feel it in the back of the head. If it hurts, back off of that. But ultimately, what I want you to do is after you tuck it, look up, hold it, breathe, and then come back down. Do that movement 10 times. It's like you're listening to music, just back and forth, but you're just focusing on the back part. Boom, 10 times. That's going to get that posterior chain engaged. Boom, before you know it, you'll be right here.